In today's fast-paced world, finding effective ways to enhance mental well-being and alleviate stress is more crucial than ever. One practice stands out for its scientifically proven benefits: meditation. Let's explore 10 ways this ancient practice can transform your mental health. Number 1. Feeling overwhelmed by daily pressures. Engaging in regular meditation can significantly reduce stress levels, promoting a sense of calm and inner peace. Studies have shown that meditation decreases the production of stress hormones, helping you navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Number 2. Struggling with anxious thoughts? Meditation offers a pathway to manage and diminish anxiety. By fostering mindfulness, it allows you to observe your thoughts without judgment, reducing the grip of anxiety over time. Number 3. Seeking a more positive outlook on life? Regular meditation practice has been linked to improved self-image and a brighter emotional state. It encourages the development of a more positive mindset, contributing to overall emotional well-being. Number 4. Desiring a deeper understanding of yourself. Meditation enhances self-awareness, helping you recognize and embrace your true self. This heightened awareness can lead to more conscious choices and personal growth. Number 5. Finding it hard to concentrate? Meditation trains the mind to focus, gradually increasing attention span and cognitive clarity. This improved focus can enhance productivity and the quality of your daily tasks. Number 6. Concerned about forgetfulness? Consistent meditation practice can boost memory and mental clarity, aiding in better information retention and recall. This benefit is particularly valuable in combating age-related memory decline. Number 7. Struggling with mood swings? Meditation aids in regulating emotions, providing better control over reactions and fostering emotional stability. This practice helps in responding to situations more thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Number 8. Battling depressive thoughts. Meditation has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression by promoting a more positive outlook and decreasing negative thought patterns. Incorporating meditation into your routine can be a supportive tool in managing depression. Number 9. Having sleep disorders? Meditation can improve sleep quality by calming the mind and promoting relaxation, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. A peaceful mind leads to restful sleep, enhancing overall health. Number 10. Dealing with chronic pain? Meditation can alter the perception of pain in the brain, making it a valuable tool for pain management and improving quality of life. By focusing the mind, meditation helps in reducing the intensity of pain experienced. I hope this video can help you to unlock the full potential of your mind and embrace a healthier, more balanced life. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the transformative power of meditation and start your journey towards mental well-being today.